In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book hotel with Afterpay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the opportunity to use Afterpay when you go to book a hotel and how to find out if a specific booking service allows you to use Afterpay as a payment method. So, if you go over to the Afterpay website or the mobile app, you will be able to look through the travel and accommodation category, where you can find a bunch of options related to using Afterpay to book hotels. Now, you will be able to browse through any of these, and upon reaching checkout, Afterpay should be available. If you don't see Afterpay when you proceed to checkout, that could mean that Afterpay is not available as a payment method in your specific region, so this might differ per region where Afterpay is available. As the example for this video, I'm going to be using Agada, so if you go over to agada.com, you will be able to browse through hotels, add any stay that you want to your cart, and when you proceed to checkout, under the Pay Now option, you will find the Afterpay icon. So it is tiny here, but you can see Afterpay is listed. Afterwards, you just have to include all the other necessary details, and upon including all of these details as listed here, you will be able to proceed to checkout and pay with Afterpay. So, as long as you selected Pay Now and you choose Digital Payment, Afterpay is going to be available. You also have PayPal, but as long as you select Afterpay, you will be able to finish booking your hotel. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you do not see Afterpay when you proceed to checkout, this could mean that Afterpay is not available for your specific region. And if that's the case, then unfortunately, there's not much else that you can do. Afterpay can only be used if it appears under the payment methods available for the specific booking service that you chose, and if you see it, just go ahead and select it. It's extremely straightforward. I hope I was able to help you on how to book hotel with Afterpay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.